we're gonna make some charred cloth. So y'all had some charred cloth for your kit because we almost used up all of our charred cloth the other day. So I need one of y'all to get me a fire going. Guys, what we're using for charred cloth today is just a cut up t-shirt. I don't know that you can use something that's not on cotton. I've always... Alright bro, watch what I'm going to do right here to your little tin. You watching?
Yeah.
I'm poking one single hole right here.
Whoa.
That's it. That's your charred cloth hole, okay? You shouldn't drop that on there so rough like that, bro.
It's smoke. Yeah, it's smoke.
Okay, we'll put the rest of this charred cloth over here, and that'll be enough for AA and for me to teach with for a little while.
Awesome, Kirsten. Good job, Kirsten. Good job, Kirsten. Thanks,
Alright, bro, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this cotton on there in these tins, and what's going to happen is it's going to start to smoke out of that hole. When it starts to smoke, then it's starting to char. When it's done charring, it'll quit smoking, it'll quit sending smoke out of there. Our fire burned down and we've taken the charred cloth tins out of it. I've thrown this back on to the fire, just some dry pine straw, just because I want Christian to practice blowing it back into flames. Maybe it'll give him a little bit of an understanding of how I'm going to want him to blow on the bundle. Go ahead and give it a shot. You ain't got to put your hands down on it like that, buddy. Watch. Watch, buddy. Watch. See this right here? Underneath there?
Okay. That's what
But I want you to listen to the sound.
Oh.
Listen to it. Listen to what you're hearing.
Okay.
It's going to end up sounding like a jet engine. When it's getting hot and it's like processing the air, you'll see. And that's... Keep going.
I'm burning. Yay!
That'll work. Alright, Mom says she's getting ate up by mosquitoes, so let's get some twigs to throw on this real quick, and we'll grab some green pine to throw in there. Hey guys, come look.
I need my stick.
Charred cloth turned out pretty good. Ooh, smoke's hitting me, boy. I had just put a bunch of green boughs on that little fire because the wife was complaining about mosquitoes. See how this new charred cloth works out. There we go. One strike ember. That'll work.